Hi everyone, welcome to Amazing Women's World. In this video I'll show you how to do this stylish designer kurti neckline. This was the requested video. I found interesting, so I did it. For this I would be using the cotton fabric and also same printed cotton fabric. I would be showing for the front panel. Fold the single piece into two and mark your neckline measurements. That means neck width 3 inches. Here I am marking the default measurements of mine and mark 1 more inch extra, that means 4 inches from the side, and mark the shoulder length, that is 7.5 inches. Mark the shoulder dip 1 inch down. Mark a slanting line with the ruler. And also mark your armhole and chest line measurements. I marked everything according to my measurements. Now I'll trim near the neckline. That means I said from the center I'd be taking 4 inches. So from 4 inches I'll cut till the chest line, that is nearly 8 inches, or you may go up to 10 inches to the bust line. That means the placket you would prepare from the shoulder line to chest line or to the bust line. It depends upon the length how much you want to take. Here I would be taking from the shoulder line to bust line, that means 10 inches I would be marking. And also note that in this project you would be cutting only one side of the neckline. Now to prepare the placket I would be taking 2 inch strap. This is for only one side, so I would be taking only one strap. Now for the another side, I would be taking the floral printed cotton fabric. Lay the marked and trimmed piece on the printed one. Make sure you leave 1 inch extra for the seaming on the floral printed. Mark it and trim off. I suggest you to please collect all the scrap material left from the other fabrics. That would be very useful to do the patchworks. This was the leftover piece of one of my dress. I'm using that only. Now I'll prepare dory. Take a thread and needle, make a small knot and reverse the needle, pull into the casing. Till it reaches the other end. Slowly start pulling the thread. Trim the 2" strips to prepare the loops. I'll be using 5 to 6 loops for this project. Place the fabrics right on right and start sewing from right side shoulder neckline till it reaches the left side shoulder neck. Slowly lift the footer up, inserting the needle inside and move the fabric to the other side. Start placing the loops. Raw side should place towards to the raw sides of the fabric. That means all the raw edges should face each other, and maintain the gap of 1.5 inches in between the loops. It depends upon you. If you want the more loops and more buttons, you can maintain the gap of 1 inch in between the loops. Start sewing till it reaches to the other edge of the cutting. Lock it. Make a small slits all around the neckline. Turn to the other side and do the top stitch. Ensure that the slits should not cross the thread line. Now I'll join the 2" strap to the other side. Why am I joining this strap? Because my neckline is 6 inches width, but one side here I trimmed off 4 inches from the center. So additional that 1 inch I would be adding by joining this strap. To prepare the placket for stitching the buttons, cut a little diagonally and turn to the wrong side. Fold 1/4 inch and join to the left fabric, leaving 1/2 inch like this. Start sewing. Make sure that the left fabric is inserted in properly when you are sewing. This is how it looks. The loops and the placket. Now I'd be stitching the buttons to this loop to the other side. Mark it according to the length of the loops and start stitching the buttons. I've done with this beautiful stylish designer kurti neckline. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share, like and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.